Hi everyone, welcome to the Coding Doctors Learning Lab. In this video, I will be showing you how to create your own account on Scratch. It's free. And also, I will be showing you how to make sure that you're able to share your projects on Scratch. During class, we may ask you to share your project so that we can help you troubleshoot. So this is how you would do that. First of all, you're going to need to create an account on Scratch. So the first thing that you will do is go to Join Scratch once you are on the Scratch website. The Scratch website is scratch.mit.edu. So let me go ahead and type that up here for you in text. So the website is scratch.mit.edu. And when you go to this website, you can click on Join Scratch on the top right. When you click on Join Scratch, you will see this username. You can pick a username. Don't use your real name. So I'm just going to create a fake name for me. So I'm going to say Lauren. That's my name. Outschool Class 1. And I'm going to make up a password. And don't use the same thing that I'm doing. Use a different password. I'm just using the same password because it's just a demonstration. So type your password in twice and then click on next. Oh, it looks like my username is too long and my password cannot match my username. So I'm gonna say L Outschool Class 1, and then for my password, I will use something else. I'm gonna use mermaid. Okay, there we go. All right, looks like I didn't type the password correctly. So just like any other password, it takes a while for you to figure it out. Which country or what country do you live in? I live in the United States of America. So I'm gonna click United States of America and then continue to click next. When were you born? You can just put your month and year of birth. You don't have to put your day. And for what's your gender, it's always it's always recommended that you don't reveal too much information. So I always tell kids to just put prefer not to say. And then you're going to put your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and put my email here. And when I say create your account, I will get an email from Scratch. I will get an email from Scratch. So it looks like I have created my account and I'm going to click on Get Started. So if you click on Get Started, you'll see what I see here. Now, you cannot share your projects with your teacher or other students unless you enable sharing. So it is very important that you check your email or your parents' email, ask your parents to check their email so that you can verify your account. If the email did not come through for whatever reason, you see this orange bar here that says confirm your email. You can click there and then it says that they sent a confirmation message to my email. So I'm going to say, okay, go back to Scratch. And if you check your email and you still don't see it, you want to go all the way up here on the top right to where you see your username. Click down on that and then click on account settings. And you're going to click right here on email. And what you want to do here is have that email resent to you. So it says that your current email address, and it says it there correctly. If you wanted to change your email address because you typed it in incorrectly, then you would type your new email down here. Or you can confirm your password and have it resend that email to you. When you see the email from Scratch, make sure you click on that verification link, and then you'll be able to share, and your teachers will be able to help you troubleshoot or debug your games during class. If you have any questions at all, please just send us a message in your OutSchool classroom. When you log into class, be sure to do it through your classroom in OutSchool, as teachers are not allowed to share any meeting IDs or passwords for Zoom. So we cannot wait to see you. We're so excited you signed up for our class. We hope you have a lot of fun, and we look forward to teaching you how to code. All right. So have a wonderful class. Bye, everybody.